Hello everyone, so now I will show you some of my strategies that I use myself for the algo trading. So this has been designed, it won't take much time to design. Let me explain what I have done for this strategy. This is very simple strategy and the loss will be little less compared to other strategy that I have created. So I use these two strategies for myself, uh, not for sale or anything. So these above strategies in testing, and these two are my strategies that I use for regular trading. So let me show you what are in the strategies. So this is Algo 3 and Algo 5. I will show my one of best strategy. This is Phoenix Algo 3. So it's based on the Fin Nifty. I have selected Fin Nifty just because there is no proper volatility. Sometimes it will be volatile, but most of the time it will not. So that's the reason. These are the codes I have designed. So number equal to position details. In this position detail, let me see the entry condition. This for the buy side, and I take a quantity, not a quantity value. I have taken underlining underlying Nifty Fin services. So this for the Fin Nifty. So these are the buy sell I have created. So you can see there is 4 buy 4 sell I have made based on the conditions. Just because if we go with any brokers that they charges some 20 rupee per order, so it will be in a little loss, just because you need to pay a lot of brokerage. Some brokerage will go around 160 rupee per day, which will be 3200 per month. So I have go with a free brokerage API service provider. So there will be choose any best free API service provider. So with this, what happen? You can able to save 3200 rupee on brokerage. And the exit condition I have not added for this, just because I need to exit both at the same time. So that's the reason I use universal exit position. So in this universal condition I have made, if my profit and loss is lesser than, so it should be greater than, okay fine, no issues. So it will be pre-default. Let me, okay, okay. So number is minus 10,000. It means if that my profit and loss is more than minus 10,000, exit the positions, like that. Okay, then advanced settings, there is no much changes needed for this. And capital required 1 lakh. So the monthly fixed fee 0 rupee, 0 rupee I have said this because I created myself. If you want the strategy, I will give it in your link only, like creating a free Tradetron account, then we can implement this strategy. So which will cost me 300 rupee per month for the automated execution, like buy sell. There is no other fees for this. Let me update this. I will go to backtest, like I have to show you live, not any other thing. So okay, go to backtest. It will take some 1 minute to 3 minutes to do backtest. Okay, something happened to my Tradetron backtest. Okay, so it's under running. I will pause the video just because it has to complete. It will take some uh, 1 to 3 minutes. That's the reason I'm pausing this. Okay, so it has been done, and we can see this for the last 6 months, May 29 to November 26. Okay, so I will take the total. So in this total we can see so much trade taken, but at the end we need how much profit and loss we can see. So it comes 70,840 for the last 6 months with a capital of 1 lakh. So if you go with the starts PDF, let me show you this. Okay, so this is how it has worked. The maximum loss is 1500 in the initial days. There is some 2500 in the middle of November 23. Fine, no issues. So with a capital of 1 lakh we have taken trade. Total trading days is 122, 76 profit, 18 days loss. Continuous 15 days it has in profit and 3 days loss. So overall win rate is 62%. Average monthly profit 12,000 lakh 12,193 rupee. So which will be 12.19% monthly return, and then total return is 70% for the 6 months, and compared to the 1 year it will be 140%. Then maximum profit in a day 3,246, maximum loss 3,000 rupee. Average profit in losing days 580 rupee. Sorry, average profit and loss daily 580 rupee an average. So 1133 rupee for the average profit on profit day. Average loss in a last day some 332 rupee. So total trade has taken 11 point, which means 12 trades. So that's the reason I have told you to go with a zero brokerage. So with that you can able to save. Maximum drawdown 4600 in 1 lakh. Maximum loss is 4698 rupee. So total 2% drawdown. Then we can see when it has made a good return as below, and we can go for the monthly return. These are the monthly returns and these drawdowns. So this is the P&L statement for the last 6 months. So some data is not reflecting here. If we do backtest again it will be corrected. So then I will show you my another strategy. Okay. Okay, so another strategy is Algo 5. These two I have implemented for myself. The same thing, it's for the Nifty 50, that's for the Fin Nifty, and these are the exit condition that I can see. And this the additional advanced settings 6 hours in the sense once my trade done it will take reactivate after 6 hours, so which means the next day. So there is no trailing stop loss anything, it's for either profit or SL hit like that. So we can go with a backtest for this as well. Intraday, okay, I don't have funds, I will add and resume the video. Okay, so we can do backtest this strategy as well. Okay, it will take time, I will pause this one. Okay, so now it has been completed. So then we can go for how much it has made total. Okay, so 93,618 rupees for the last 6 months. So for this it requires capital of 2 lakh, and another one that is Algo 3, so that will require capital of some 1 lakh rupee. So in this we can see there is some minus as well, minus, but these minus, some of the minus and some of the positive as well. So but if there is a too much volatility, then we can see all are in red, else all are in green. So if you made a loss it will be some less than 100 sometimes, or sometimes less than 200, but the profit will be more than 200 or more than 1500 or like that. So then the total is 93,618. We can see the stats. Open the stats. Okay, so in this you can see there is no losses, which means drawdown after the post profit. So if you go for the downside, maximum loss we can see minus 1.75. okay, so including this, let me zoom in. So 2 lakh capital required in 122 trading days, it is for the last 6 months. 97 profit days and 18 loss days. Maximum continuous 17 trading days, winning days. Maximum loss 2 days continuous, and win rate is 79.51%. Average monthly profit we can see 16,114 rupee. Total 93,000 profit. Monthly it comes around 8% returns, which is annually 96 to 100%. Total returns 46% for the last 6 months, and the maximum profit in a day 3020, maximum loss in a day 5037 rupee. So these are the remaining thing. Maximum loss is 5037, even though due to after the profit it made a drawdown, so which means it will not affect in capital. So then these are the profit and losses for the months, and we can see the chart. We can see, so in the May 1%, June 4.5%, July 10%, 8%, 3%, so like this. And we can see in the November this month there is no loss so far. We can see if there are any losses, and in October it made some minor losses, fine, no issues. So like this is about my two strategies. I have some 8 to 10, but you can see here in the back test, okay, so in the backtest you can see 67 I have used it just because I have saw so many YouTube strategies that they explained, but they didn't do backtest and show the report. So that's the reason I have made this video. This is not for any marketing or any purpose, so this is for only internal thing. So these are two my profitable strategies which I can't able to trade in the morning session, so that's the reason I have created myself. So which will be cost me some 300 rupee per month, just because I use some I use broker that not charge for the FNO, like a zero brokering charges, and for Tradetron it will cost me some 600 rupee. That's enough. For 6 months it will cost around 3600, and I will save some 1,50,000 in these two strategies. The same thing we can continue, and if we design any new strategies I will give you. You can check with the click on more, and there you can see a contact option. Just contact and take these strategies. Just because you can see so many strategy creators, but they don't share P&L, so that's the reason I have made this video, nothing else. So this is my active strategies. This for the paper trading purpose. The capital you can see 1 lakh, sorry 10 lakh. This much is not required, but these two strategies tested on implemented day before yesterday, like with last trading session. And okay, that's about for now. So if you need this strategy, you can just text me. I will give you this strategy for you.